Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how I made this beautiful creation. For this project you'll need something to hang it on. I've got this old outdoor lamp which I'll show you just now what it looked like before I painted it. And then some beads, some scissors and some string. I'm using like a plastic line, like fishing line, and we're just going to hang like loops of beads down on this thing. I've threaded some beads onto 8 pieces of string, so they all already done for me, and then I'm going to hang them on here. I'm just tying them in loops like this. I've got the next one here and it's going to go from there, and it's gonna, this whole strip of beads is gonna go there, and I'm gonna do that 8 more times. Okay, I've done the bottom here, this layer, all 8 strings, and now I'm going to start on the next layer. This is the first one, and I've strung these beads on. I'm just going to do 4 at the top, not 8. Okay, I've done 2 layers now, and these little corners are looking a little empty, so I'm going to hang little hearts here, and I've done 4 of them for the 4 corners, and then we should be done. Okay, I put the little hearts on and now it's done. Please like and subscribe for more projects.